The National Emergency Management Agency, Nema, in collaboration with the Ondo State Emergency Management Agency, or SEMA, has distributed relief materials to victims affected by the recent windstorm and heavy rainfall in Owo and Imre communities of Ondo State. The intervention is aimed at alleviating the hardship faced by the affected residents and supporting their recovery from the devastating impact of the disaster. Abdulkarim Ahmed reports.
The relief items distributed included bags of rice, beans, gari, vegetable oil and seasoning cubes. Among the beneficiaries is Venerable Emmanuel Ogunleye, who said the relief support will help cushion the impact of the disaster as affected families begin to rebuild their lives. He noted that for many residents, the devastating windstorm and heavy rainfall that swept through parts of Owo and Imure in April this year left a trail of destruction, damaging homes, businesses and means of livelihood.
The government sent representatives through the local government, local council authority to capture the buildings that were destroyed. And we thank them for what they have been doing to assist us.
Representing the Director General of Nema, Zubaida Umar, officials of the agency said the intervention followed a detailed assessment of the affected communities to determine the extent of damage and the immediate needs of victims. They reaffirmed Nema's commitment to providing timely humanitarian assistance to vulnerable communities whenever disasters occur.
Well, we are here today to give relief items as approved by the federal government to the people that were affected by rainstorm and flooding in Emurele and Owo communities in our local government area of Ondo State. And as you can see, we sensitized them earlier before we even start the distribution. And the purpose is that we want them to be proactive in attending to disaster-related issues instead of being reactive.
Today's program is so significant because it's a way of touching the grassroots, and I can also say that it's part of the dividends of democracy.
The acting chairman of our local government area, Ahmed Ibrahim, commended Nema and the Ondo State government for the intervention.
I appreciate the management of SEMA and Nema because of their prompt intervention. I called them that night. The second day, they were here as early as possible. And I appreciate them for fulfilling their promises. On behalf of our local government, the citizens of our local government, we thank you and we appreciate you.
Beneficiaries are expected to make judicious use of the items while recovery efforts continue. In Akure, Abdulkarim Ahmed, NTA News.